So the first is to live above the common level of life. So there are many challenges as to rise beyond ordinary, to live with purpose, discipline, and excellence. It it's not just about being better than others, but about better than who we were yesterday. It's about refusing to settle for mediocrity. So to live above the common level means doing more than what is expected. So it means choosing to act with integrity, showing respect even when it's not returned, and maintaining our values despite many challenges. So it is easy to follow the crowd, but it takes courage to stand for what it is right. So this praise remind us that greatness doesn't happen by accident. It comes from hard work or consistency and a desire to make it a positive impact. Whether we are students, leaders, or ordinary citizens, we are called to live with excellence, to be responsible, compassionate, and driven by our goals. Living above the common level also means being mindful of how we influence others. So it's about becoming a role model for someone who uplifts people through words and actions. So when we live with passion, humility, and purpose, we inspire others to do the same. In short, it's living a life of meaning, not just existence. So when we hear to live above the common level of life, that is that this praise remind us to keep striving for improvement, to give our best, to act with honor, and to make a difference wherever we are. So next next second, Swaponte. So Swaponte praise is of one's own accord or simply by one's own choice. So it teaches us the importance of initiative, doing the right thing not because someone tell us to, but it because it comes from within. So in life, there will always be moments when no one is watching or guiding us. That's when Suhaswante truly matters. So it reminds us to take responsibility for our actions and decisions in life, and it's about being self-motivated, dependable over life, and accountable. So when you up Swapanti, you don't wait for permission. You take the lead. You solve problems, and you choose to serve others willingly. This mindset is powerful, but it builds character and leadership. People who live by Swapanti are the ones makes a difference. They don't just follow orders, but they create solutions. They don't complain about problems and also take action for to fix them. So in the context of leadership of service, Suwaspante means being proactive and trustworthy. It means doing your duty with commitment, even when no one is here to praise or reward you. But it's a call to act with integrity, to lead yourself, leading others. So when we live with the spirit of Swapan we live by choice, not by chance. We decide to do what is right, to stand up for our principles, and to make positive difference in our community. Not because we are told to, but because it's who we are. So the two praise have go hand in hand. They both teach us to rise higher, to live with purpose, and to act from the heart, not out of obligations, but out of true character. That's all. Thank you.